everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about fennel, and I have some specific food and flavoring combinations that are known to work well with fennel. So if you're looking for some specific ideas, recipe ideas, hopefully this will help you out. Now this list is a long one. This is part 2. I've broken it up into 2 parts. I have a link to part 1 below in the description box. Combine fennel with fennel seeds, garlic, olive oil, and thyme. Or try fennel with fennel seeds, lemon juice, and olive oil. Combine fennel and also the fennel leaves or the fronds with avocado and grapefruit as in a salad. Combine fennel with feta cheese, lemon, and parsley. How about fennel with garlic, olives, Parmesan cheese, and tomatoes? Fennel with garlic and potatoes. Fennel with greens of your choice, cheese, and mushrooms. Fennel with lemon, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, and parsley as in a salad. Fennel with mushrooms and Parmesan cheese. Fennel with olives and oranges. Or fennel with oranges and nuts like pecans or walnuts. Or try fennel with oranges, red onions, and white beans. Well, I do hope this helps to give you some new ideas for using fennel. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.